I just saved over $1,000 a month by doing one simple thing. Before I was using 5 or 6 different software, having to go to all these different logins, but I was able to get rid of all those software subscriptions and switch to one all-in-one platform. Now imagine if one platform could replace your CRM, your calendar scheduler, your course hosting, email software, and even generate your own AI employee. I know what you're thinking, it might sound too good to be true, or maybe it's just super expensive. Well, that's where you're wrong because it's not too good to be true, and I'm going to disclose how you can actually get started for free in this video, but you're going to want to stick around for a very exclusive offer. Now, the software I'm talking about that was able to replace all these other software is a tool called HighLevel. Now, before discovering HighLevel, my tech stack was a patchwork of different tools from HubSpot, Calendly, Thinkific, ActiveCampaign, and a few others. Now, each one of these software serves its own purpose, but juggling multiple platforms was super clunky, data was siloed, and managing subscriptions was a headache, and it was pretty expensive. So by switching all of this software over to HighLevel, I was able to save more than $1,000 per month. And I'm going to walk you through some of the main features I use and how you can use them for your business today. So you might be wondering what HighLevel or HighLevel does is it's an all-in-one CRM platform. HighLevel is essentially a Swiss Army knife for your business. It's essentially a comprehensive platform that consolidates all these functionalities. It offers a centralized system for managing customer relationships, scheduling meetings, hosting courses, email marketing, text message marketing, and even AI-driven automation. So let's explore and break down some of the most popular features and how it can benefit your business today. Now, starting off with the CRM, and I know switching to CRM sounds like a big pain, and I've gone through this a few times every few years, but I guarantee you it's going to be worthwhile because you're going to save money, but you're also going to be making more money because everything's working in one area. So HighLevel CRM is essentially the backbone of the platform, which allows you to do all the core things like managing contacts and deals. You can store and organize customer information with detailed profiles and activity histories. You can track things like interaction, monitor emails, calls, and messages in one unified inbox. You can also automate a bunch of follow-up sequences and workflows. So you can set up workflows to automatically engage leads based on their behavior. To get started with this, all you have to do is start that simple export from your prior CRM, and then you'll be able to import it to HighLevel. To get started, navigate to your contact section, import your existing contacts, and begin customizing pipelines to reflect your sales process. This centralized approach ensures you never miss a follow-up and can nurture leads effectively. Now, why this is so important is because you're going to have more details and information on your customers. It's going to show which customers you need to contact, but more importantly, when and what time you need to contact them at. There's going to be different stages in different areas of contacts and how you're able to develop those people over time. So essentially nurturing these contacts and then firing off automations to hit them when they're most likely to buy. This is why having a CRM with all of these other features built in is so crucial to growing and scaling a business. I was able to basically delete my expensive calendar schedule with this one simple tool, and it's with HighLevel Scheduler. Essentially, I was using Calendly before, but I was able to do this all in one box. And again, this made it so much easier because it's directly integrated to the CRM. So it's going to give me all of those insights and all those details about how to actually go about this meetings, what meetings I had in the past with this person, what sort of notes do I have on them. Maybe I can create some automations, and it's all under one easy to use box. So scheduling super seamless in HighLevel's integrated calendar. You can create calendars and set up personal or team calendars with customized availability. You can also set up automated reminders, and this is going to be things like automatic email and SMS reminders to really reduce your no-show. And last but not least is the Google Calendar Sync. Essentially, it can integrate directly with Google Calendar or basically any major calendar out there. Are you tired of juggling 30 different software tools just to keep your business running? Well, I was in the same boat, so I deleted everything and found an all-in-one solution that helped me save more than $1,000 per month. There's a much better way out there, and you can actually get started for free today. It's called HighLevel, one platform that has every tool in total control. It essentially replaces your CRM, funnel builder, email system, social media scheduler, calendar scheduling, marketing automation, and so much more. Even better, you can white label it, sell to your clients as your own software, and keep 100% of the profit. There's no extra user fees ever, and you can start a free trial today before it's gone. Scan the QR code on the screen or just click the link in the description to see why millions of businesses are switching to HighLevel. And so after using this for a while, one thing I really enjoy over Calendly is that I would get throttled for my SMS reminders. And if you're doing anything at volume, it's really frustrating because your no-show rates are going to keep climbing if you don't have text message reminders. Unfortunately, on Calendly, they have a throttle that's pretty low. But with Go HighLevel, you're able to do this at a much higher scale, and you're going to have a lot more control over when those text messages go out and all those reminder workflows. So to get your calendar set up in HighLevel, all you got to do is go to the calendars function here, select calendar settings, and create a calendar. It's going to ask you to define your availability, appointment types, and notification preferences. This feature essentially eliminates the need for external scheduling tools and keeps your appointments organized. But more importantly, it's going to show everything you have on your customers or your prospects and leads in one easy-to-view place. Now, course hosting can get pretty expensive. Some course hosts like Kajabi are charging about $200 a month because they include a few other things. But in general, if you want to have a nice, fully done course hosting, it's going to cost over $100 per month with all those other bells and whistles. But Go HighLevel was able to do that for completely free with the version that I'm using. Now, Go HighLevel was able to do it in one seamless platform for no additional cost. It's able to host all your courses and product. So Go HighLevel's course hosting capabilities rival a lot of standalone platforms. They've got a membership area where you can create secure areas for your courses or programs. They also have drip content, so you can schedule content releases over a period of time. And again, the great thing is it has payment integration directly, so you can connect it up to Stripe or PayPal for seamless transactions. So here's how to build a course in just 30 seconds. All you have to do is open HighLevel, navigate to sites, then memberships, then products. And again, it's as easy as adding your lessons, setting the access level, and configuring the payment options. This integrated approach really simplifies course delivery and management. Now, again, you're going to have that progress data all tied up to your CRM so you can see how your people are progressing through their course. You're going to get your users higher and better results because it's all going to be in one easy to use box. Now, I was so happy to finally delete ActiveCampaign because they have just been increasing their prices. And in general, their software is just getting more clunky and more clunky. In general, I loved ActiveCampaign for a while, but the price to the quality ratio just didn't match. So I was super happy to switch over to HighLevel's email marketing platform. And essentially, their email marketing allows you to do everything you need. It's got a drag and drop email builder where you can essentially design emails in just a few clicks. It also has some really great automation workflows, so you can trigger emails based on certain actions and certain timing. Also, it has really great analytics to monitor open rates, clicks, and conversions. Guys, if you learned something new there, you're gonna love this next part. I've partnered up with Amazon's Audible to give you a free copy of my #1 best-selling book, Global Career: How to Work Anywhere and Travel Forever. Global Career has been featured in prestigious publications like Forbes, CNBC, Entrepreneur Magazine, and even Lonely Planet. And with over 500 positive reviews, this book has helped hundreds of thousands earn from anywhere. To get your free copy and start a 30-day free trial of Audible, all you have to do is visit globalcareerbook.com/audio today, or just scan the QR code on the screen here. Now, if you want to get this started, all you have to do in about 15 seconds is open HighLevel, then go to Marketing, Emails, Templates to start creating your first email. Then set up the workflows under the automation section to define the triggers and actions. This is essentially going to make sure that your leads are getting sent emails at the right time, and it's going to make sure that they're getting to that next stage in the sales cycle, converting them from leads into customers. Now, for making it this far in the video, I've got a special treat just for you. Typically, Go High Level offers a 14-day free trial, but I'm gonna one-up that and offer you 30 days. If you scan the QR code on the screen here, you should see an offer for a 30-day free trial if it's still available. Now, you want to make sure that you sign up because these are limited and exclusive. If you don't see it on the QR code, visit the link below in the description to get started today. Can you imagine if you had an AI employee running all the day-to-day to your business and your funnels? Well, that's where Go High Level's AI employee comes to play. Essentially, the AI employee is a suite of tools designed to automate and enhance customer interactions. Essentially, here's a few of the best features. They have voice AI, which is able to handle inbound calls with AI agents that can answer questions, schedule appointments, and even transfer calls. Conversation AI is another great feature that lets you engage with leads through chat, providing instant responses and nurturing relationships. Then you have Reviews AI, which automatically requests and manages customer reviews. Content AI, which is going to be useful for generating content for emails, blogs, landing pages, and everything like that. And then last but not least is the Workflow AI Assistant, which helps you optimize workflows by suggesting improvements. Now, there are so many cool new AI features coming out. It seems like almost every month. You're going to want to take a look at some of these because this is just the tip of the iceberg. There's so many cool new features rolling out for High Level, and it's really hard to keep up. So if you want to keep up with this, if you want to learn how to use all these tools to make money online, you're going to want to hit that subscribe button. Now, to activate these AI tools in High Level, you're going to need to go to Settings and then AI Settings and configure each tool according to your business needs. This AI integrations allow for 24/7 customer support and engagement and operational efficiency. If you don't see the AI feature, that means you likely need to upgrade your account to a higher level. And if you don't have that, drop a link below and I'll send you a unique link so you can get started for that ASAP. Now, those are just some of the features I used, and I was able to do a lot more. And let me just give you some quick rapid fire features on what else High Level can do. Because if I were to go through each one of these, we'd probably be here for about 15 to 20 hours. So starting off, High Level also offers these really great features, such as the Funnel Builder, which helps you create sales funnels with drag and drop simplicity. One thing I love about this is it also shows you some of the other higher performing funnels. So that way you can drag and drop an already established funnel that's going to convert at a high rate. Next up, you have the Website Builder. This is going to allow you to design and host your own website within the platform. Reputation Management. This is going to allow you to manage and respond to any of your online reviews. And then one of the best things here is SMS and voicemail drops, where you can essentially engage customers through multiple channels and you can really activate people. Text messaging is one of the highest leverage activities I've seen for running a business. Imagine getting 90% open rates on your emails. Well, it's hard to do it with email, but you can do it almost every time if you have an active SMS list. So this is probably one of the lowest hanging fruits to really scale and grow a business. Now, since making the switch over to High Level, I've been able to improve my business in 3 core areas. The first area is cost savings. I was able to eliminate multiple subscriptions, saving over $1,000 a month. That's about $12,000 a year. I was also able to make myself and my team a lot more efficient. We had streamlined workflows and reduced manual tasks because everything just works under one box. Last but not least, we were able to get more customer lifetime value. We were able to get more customers out of our workflow because it's so much easier to see who we should focus on and how we should focus on converting those leads into customers. Since High Level is able to grab all of these details under one box from all these different software, it's so much clearer who we need to focus on and how we can get those people better results and get them into our programs and into our businesses. Now, if you're tired of juggling all these different software and platforms, I'm gonna leave a link below where you can get started with High Level for a 30-day free trial. You can get inside, you can test the water, and you can make sure that it's a good fit for you and your business. Now, if you enjoyed this video, I'm gonna leave another great video that was just hand-selected for you, and it's gonna be a video that's going to really show you how to level up and earn from anywhere.